Hello guys, how are you? This time I want to show you how to fix your internet problems. Just like me, I'm gonna face from this problem, and look at this. Right now, this is my PC's name, and this is my other PC. I'm gonna show you how to I fix it. Uh, this time April 28th Windows 10 update right now, and this is the very big problem from your all networking are disabled, and you think how can I do that, my networking so enable. So you just go to your control panel like this, and uh, control panel, you go to your control panel and open networks, and go to network sharing center and go to your change advanced sharing center, and you just think uh, turn on, and turn on this time, turn on guest public, turn on, and all network turn on, enable, and so hi, what is the problem, uh, do not show to this computers LAN connections. Let me explain you one thing, and this is the thing is Windows administrators tool. So some files are manually, not automatically. So this I want to show you, and you just go to first one sec, go to Windows tab and go to your install software side, and check Windows administrator tool. Look at this Windows administrator tool, click here, and component services, go to component services, and click here services local, maximize your page, and look at this DHCP silent. Look at this, this is the running automatically. I'm only this is always automatically run in your PC. The problem is from this file, function discovery. I'm gonna automatically, and you just click, and uh, your option is manually, and you gonna check automatically and click apply and okay. And second is function discovery resource, and you just double click, and this is manual 2, and you just gonna select automatically and hit apply and okay. And just two more options, and go to your bottom down, yeah, where is ah, SSDP discovery, and this is to manually setting, and you go to double click and automatic and hit apply and okay. And last option and last thing, uh, where is this is the UPnP device host, because this is not allowed, this is gonna automatically, you won't be show your LAN computers. You just hit automatically, hit apply and hit okay, and your problems gonna solve. And look at this networking, this is my PC name, and if I disable from these options, and my PC gonna not show from this page. Let me explain you again. I'll just go to my Windows Administrator tool, component services, maximize page, services, okay, and there is function discovery provider. I'm gonna manually hit apply, okay, and okay, this is manually, and this is gonna to manually hit apply okay. And let's find SSDP discovery, and he is auto manually too, and hit apply. Look at this running but manually. And last option is UNT. And now this manually and hit apply, hit OK, and I'm just gonna minimize page, open Windows, open, go to network settings. Look at this. This is the gone. My PC are gone. They do not show from this way. I'm gonna reset from all things. Uh, Host device, automatically it apply, OK, and SSDB recovery hit automatically and apply, OK, and two more options. Automatically hit apply, OK, and uh, hit automatically apply and OK. So this is the reason to show your LAN computers, and uh, you're sharing your folders, files, and pictures, etc. So this is the biggest reason for new update in Windows 10. I hope you like my video. This is very workful for your PC. If you like my video, then subscribe and share my video. Thank you for watching my video.